हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का। मैं ले चलूंगा आपको एक ऐसे सफर की ओर जहां की प्राकृतिक सौंदर्यता का वर्णन सारे जहां में है। इस नगरी में आपको देखने को मिलेगी बहु प्राचीन इमारतें, खूबसूरती से भरी प्राकृतिक सौंदर्यता। चलते हैं आज फिर उन यादों की ओर जो है आज भी जिंदा। इतिहास के पन्नों पर आज भी उन सुर्ख यादों को याद किया जाता है। उन्हीं पन्नों को देखने व छूने को जी कर रहा है। याद करते हैं उस शख्सियत को, नमन करते हैं उस महान आत्मा को जिसने ऐसा इतिहास रचा जो कि न कभी भुलाया जा सकता है और ना ही उसे दोहराया जा सकता है। उस महान पवित्र देवी साहिबा अहिल्या को, उस महान पवित्र आत्मा को हमारा शत प्रणाम। आइए चलते हैं उस खूबसूरत सी दुनिया की ओर जहां बसती हैं यादें।
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं नीरज सालवी और अभी मैं फिलहाल आ चुका हूं द नंबर 1 फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ एवरीवन, महेश्वर सिटी, जो कि सभी की चहेती सिटी है और सभी का नंबर 1 प्लेस है। यहाँ पर घूमने के लायक बहुत अच्छी जगह है, दर्शन करने के लिए बहुत अच्छे मंदिर है यहाँ पर। मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि एग्जैक्टली महेश्वर सिटी के बारे में। इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन 13 किलोमीटर ईस्ट नेशनल हाईवे एंड हाईवे का जो नाम है वो है आगरा मुंबई हाईवे, उसी को कनेक्ट करता है। एंड इट इज़ हमारे इंदौर से ये 91 किलोमीटर दूर है। आप चाहें तो आप बाइक से आ सकते हैं, आप चाहें तो बस से आ सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पर बहुत ही चकाचौंध है, धूमधाम है। बड़े लोग एकदम मौज मस्ती से यहाँ पर रोजाना आते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं एंड they give the time with their family members and it is really good thing for everyone who want to enjoy over here. So आपका स्वागत है यहाँ पर।
Maheshwar was a glorious city at the dawn of Indian civilization when it was Maheshmati, capital of Kartiv Arjun. This temple town on the banks of the river Narmada finds mention in the epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Revived to its ancient position of importance by the Holkar Queen Rani Ahilyabai of Indore. Maheshwar's temples and mighty fort complex stand in quiet beauty mirrored in the river below. Today, Maheshwar is also known for its distinctive hand-woven saris called Maheshwari. And if we talk about culture, Maheshwar is a culturally prosperous town and its importance is described in Punas and through history. It is a religious town and people here are simple, calm and pleasing. Economy of Maheshwar saris and economy of Maheshwar city. Maheshwar has been a center of handloom weaving since the 5th century. Maheshwar is the home of one of India's finest handloom fabric traditions. Maheshwar is noted as a center for weaving colorful Maheshwari saris. These cotton saris are weaved with fabulous designs involving stripes, checks, and floral borders. The handlooms also make fabric material used for making kurtas and other clothings. The origin of Maheshwari saris is traced to the establishment of Rehwa Society, an NGO founded by the Holkars in 1979 to give women employment and revive the town's textiles. Ahilya Fort is now Heritage Hotel, founded by Prince Richard Holkar, a descendant of both Ahilyabai Holkar and the last Maharaja of Indore. Vithoji Fort Story. Shriman Sardar Vithoji Rao Holkar, 1776 to 16 April 1801. was the fourth son of Maharaja Tukoji Rao Holkar. He also known as a Vithoba. Vithoji was a part of the Holkar dynasty of the Marathas when his elder brother Malhar Rao Holkar was killed by Scindia in September 1797. Vithoji escaped from Pune to Kolhapur. To grow their empire, Yashwantrao Holkar started a campaign towards the north, whereas Vithoji started a campaign towards the south. He plundering the Peshwa's territories. Bajirao II sent Balaji Kunjir and Bapu Gokhale to arrest Vithoji in April 1801. 16th April 1801, this caused animosity between Bajirao II and Yashwantrao.
Alright, so right now I'm here with Simon and he's gonna give me answer exactly what he thinks about that, the city. Alright, so Simon, just please tell about this very lovely city and a very beautiful city. What do you think about that?
Well, it's lovely because it's a relic of the past and it's quite well preserved. So you can see what life was like here 500 years ago. And we're staying in this beautiful fort. We get a lovely view of the river and we get to see the customs down on the Ghats. So for us, it's a wonderful experience.
All right. So like you like the culture about India?
Very much, yes. Very
Okay.
much.
And do you like the language of Hindi, like Namaste? Like
Namaste,
Pranam?
Acha.
That's a good, that's a really good thing. And like, which is the most thing? Which is what is the favorite thing for like you mostly like about that? Like, oh wow, this is exactly very nice about that.
I think
you like never seen before ever anywhere.
in India as a whole, I think
Yeah,
the
yeah,
best,
exactly in this
the best thing
Maharashtra place, yeah.
is that you can go places where there are entire deserted cities that are hard to get to, where there aren't many tourists, and you feel you've discovered something as well as seeing something interesting. So it's hard as a tourist to discover new things these days. You can't in Europe, everything's well signposted. Here in the UK, I think that's what's exciting about it.
All right, and right now nowadays we are celebrating Diwali, and like we celebrate many more time. Like always, and we come over here and we celebrate in a very large kind of thing, because this is the very most favorite celebration for every Hindu person.
Yes.
So what do you think about that? Like, do you like the Diwali celebration?
Oh yes, well it's full of light and colour and sound. So it gets three of the and smell.
Yeah.
So it captures most of the senses, and it's very different, of course, to anything we have in Europe. So for that reason, it's spectacular.
All right. And do you know about the meaning of Maheshwar? What is the meaning of Maheshwar?
I don't actually know. It's tell me.
Alright, and like हमने ये भी सुन रखा है कि महेश्वर के बारे में लोगों का कहना है कि इसका मीनिंग होता है माहेश्मती, और इसे exactly बोला जाता है लॉर्ड शिवा का the number one place Maheshwar, and we love it. Thank you, Simon, for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Devi Ahilyabai Sahiba, Maratha Holkar, Queen of Indore, Queen of the Malwa Kingdom, reigned 1st December 1767 to 13 August 1795. Coronation 11 December 1767. Predecessor Malirao Holkar. Successor Tukoji Rao Holkar I. Consort Khandirao Holkar. Full name Ahilyabai Sahiba Holkar. House of Holkar. Dynasty Maratha Confederacy. Father Mankoji Shinde. Born May 31st, 1725. Gram Chaundi, Jamkher, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra, India. Died August 13, 1795. Religion Hindu. In the late 18th century, Maheshwar served as the capital of the great Maratha. Lady Rajmata Ahilya Devi Holkar, she embellished the city with many buildings and public works, and it is home to her palace as well as numerous temples, a fort and river front ghats, broad stone steps which step down to the river. Now, talking about the Ahilyabai's husband, Khandirao Holkar was killed in the Battle of Kumbher in 1754. 12 years later, her father-in-law, Malhar Rao Holkar, died. Malhar Rao was succeeded by Male Rao, the only son of Khande Rao, but he also died on 5th April 1767 until her death in 1795. She ruled Malwa, trained in both administrative and military matters by Malhar Rao. In letter to her from Malhar Rao in 1765 illustrates the trust he had in her ability. During the Taputa's battle for power in the 18th century, after her death, she was succeeded by Tukoji Rao Holkar, first her commander-in-chief, who soon abdicated the throne in favor of his son Kashi Rao Holkar in 1797. A commemorative stamp was issued in her honor on 25th August 1996 by the Republic of India as a tribute to the great ruler. Indore domestic airport has been named Devi Ahilyabai Holkar Airport, Indore. Similarly, Indore University has been renamed Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. ईश्वर ने मुझ पर जो उत्तरदायित्व रखा है उसे मुझे निभाना है। मेरा काम प्रजा को सुखी रखना है। मैं अपने प्रत्येक काम के लिए जिम्मेदार हूँ। सामर्थ्य व सत्ता के बल पर मैं यहाँ जो कुछ भी कर रही हूँ उसका ईश्वर के यहाँ मुझे जवाब देना होगा। मेरा यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है, जिसका है उसी के पास भेजती हूँ। जो कुछ लेती हूँ वह मेरे पास कर्ज है, न जाने कैसे चुका पाऊंगी। All the beautiful words were written by देवी अहिल्याबाई साहिबा।
और यहाँ पर मैं आ चुका हूँ एग्जैक्टली द मैन फोर्ट एग्जैक्टली ऑफ देवी अहिल्याबाई साहिबा का, जो कि प्रवेश द्वार है। और जैसे कि अभी आप देख रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पर जो डिज़ाइंस बनी हुई है, नंबर 1 है विच इज़ लुक्स लाइक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड काइंड ऑफ जो डिज़ाइंस है इट्स काइंड ऑफ वेरी सेंसिबल एंड वेरी एसेंशियल बिकॉज इट फील्स लाइक ए ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस ओवर हियर। अगर आप बैठकर यहाँ पर आप फोटो भी क्लिक कराते हैं तो बिल्कुल आपको मज़ा आता है। और वेल फिलहाल मैं तो यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर ही रहा हूँ और साथ ही साथ आपको भी एंटरटेनमेंट बिल्कुल मस्त तरीके से दिए जाने वाला हूँ। और अगर यहाँ पर मंदिरों के बारे में बात करें तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऐसे मंदिर हैं जहाँ पर अगर हम बात करें महाबलेश्वर मंदिर है, राजराजेश्वर मंदिर है, राम जी का मंदिर है, कृष्णा जी का मंदिर है और चिंतामणि गणेश मंदिर है, गोबर गणेश है। और यहाँ पर एक मंदिर बना हुआ है जो कि नर्मदा नदी के बीचों बीच बना हुआ है। आप एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पर सामने देख सकते हैं कि एक मंदिर बना हुआ है जो कि बीचों बीच पानी में बना हुआ है और वहाँ पर भोलेनाथ जी का एक शिवलिंग रखा हुआ है जो कि विच इज़ लुक्स लाइक वेरी लवली एंड विच इज़ माइंड ब्लोइंग एंड अमेजिंग एंड सुपर्ब। अगर आप वहाँ पर चले जाएंगे, नदी के बीच में जाएंगे, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप एसी के बीच में हैं और बिल्कुल आपको बहुत सुकून मिलेगा।
आइए, यहाँ है कुछ फॉरेनर्स लेडी जिनसे जानते हैं कि वो क्या सोचती है यहाँ के कल्चर के बारे में और यहाँ की रहवा सोसाइटी के बारे में।
What do you think about Maheshwar city? In your words.
Maheshwar?
Yeah, Maheshwar city. Maheshwar city.
Maheshwar, okay. It was a surprise. We read just a little bit, a small text in our guidebook, and we thought, okay, let's have a try, let's have a look. And we were expecting some small things, but then we came here and it's really quite wow, and it's a surprise.
Oh, surprising.
To see this temple and this old part, and then the river. It's
All
very
right. So, like
surprising.
you bought lots of fabric from Rewa
Yes,
Society.
this was. We
Oh,
are
right,
into
you have-
fabrics. I'm a
okay.
really addict in fabrics.
Oh, that's perfect. And it looks really nice. You're having dressing room. It's
no,
fantastic.
this is not really. This
But
is
after
not
that, you're
what
gonna wear. So after that, it is really gonna.
This is
suit
a
on you.
tracking outfit, so this is not what I would
It's a
do.
cool. It's a cool.
This is.
Okay,
It was
so
nice.
that's really nice.
Focus on
We are
that.
having some good fabric over here. This color, this color, this color, and this color. Which is the best color?
Yeah, I like them all.
All of them.
Yeah,
All right,
definitely.
that's really good. Okay, and one more thing is that about have you heard about Devi Ahilya Sahiba? Have you heard about that?
Yes, of course. we read
Which is the most thing you like about her? Highness.
She ruled the place.
Oh yeah, exactly. And what is
She
the
was
most quality?
emancipated.
Okay. What is the most quality you like most?
You know, we didn't know about her when we came here, but we went
okay.
first. We came to this it's not even a mandir. It's just her living quarters, which are very humble. I like this a lot. I like to read about her. I immediately saw about the Jhansi Wali Rani, of course, and thought, oh, this was a woman who stood up for herself, who was educated and who had some power, and she used her power to do good for the people. So,
All right, that's really
we
good.
completely
And
loved it, you know.
okay.
In the city, we also liked that you didn't go for sati.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Oh, yeah.
like that aspect.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
And about Samina, what do you think about this city and exactly about Devi Ahilya? In your words.
It's impossible to make a big statement because we did not see so much until now.
Okay.
We went to drink a coffee, then we went there to this small temple,
Oh yeah.
and then to the weavers. Yeah.
Okay.
So
All right. So you like the people over here? Like this culture? It's kind of pleasing people over here,
Yes, very
and
nice.
atmosphere, and it
very
had good.
not imposing, which means because we have become from Delhi, it's a big city. People are always wanting to make money.
Oh
and
yeah,
they are
and lots of
imposing you.
traffic and lots
But
of
here
pollution.
people leave you alone and you can just wander around. It's very nice.
Okay, it's really nice. Okay, and last thing is that now it's a time for Namaste India. You have to say in one word. So now your timer starts now. 1, 2, 3. Namaste India. Namaste India.
वेल इन लोगों से बात करके मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा और मैंने तो काफ़ी एंजॉय किया। आई होप सो कि आपने भी काफ़ी एंजॉय किया होगा। इन्होंने सही कहा है, अगर विदेशी पर्यटक हमारे देश की महान हस्तियों से प्रेरणा ले सकते हैं तो फिर हमें तो कई गुना मोटिवेट होना चाहिए। हमारे देश की नारी कमज़ोर नहीं है, वो बहुत कुछ कर सकती है, दुनिया को बदल सकती है। बस देर है तो सिर्फ एक कदम आगे बढ़ाने की। ये इतिहास हमेशा जिंदा रहेगा, पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी। हर कोई देवी अहिल्या जी को याद करता रहेगा। ऐसे जज्बे को हजारों सलाम।